gosh, there are all those people out there. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Toastmasters, welcome guests. This is contest season. This is the time that we strut a little taller, smile a little brighter, and shake our knees a whole lot more, because it's time for the Humorous contest. And according to Toastmaster International, we do need to qualify that in order to be a contestant in the Humorous contest, you must be a member in good standing of your club must be a member in good standing of the district, and you must also belong to the club that's in your district. Okay, great. Now we're qualified. This is fabulous. What do we do? Well, there are a few more rules that you need to be aware of in the Humorous contest. Number one, more than 25% has to be original. And if it's not, make sure you certify where you heard it from. Number two, you will be required to sign a judge's certification that this is original material. No worries, you need to sign it in blood, have it notarized by 10 different people, and take it to the bank, and pay $20 for that notification. We all speak from the same platform. You have 5 to 7 minutes to speak. And what that means is if you speak under 4 minutes and 30 seconds, or over 7 minutes and 30 seconds, you are disqualified. Start. No one-liners. You can't say, hey, 3 guys walked into a bar. This is what happened. No, it's not going to work. You have to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. It's all got to flow together. And then you can be in the Humorous contest. But how can you be funny? This is so incredibly difficult. Well, number one, you should be the subject because you're laughing at yourself. If you can laugh at yourself, other people will laugh with you. Be specific. Don't say something like, oh, we went to the beach and it was really fun. Hello? Not real funny. Say something that people don't expect. We went to the beach expecting Sharknado and we were not disappointed. There were sharks everywhere. Automatically, people are paying attention to you. Edit, edit, and edit your speech. Because you should be writing out a speech that's in competition. Otherwise, you're not going to remember half the stuff you're supposed to be saying. Use your body language. You know, that's what it's all about. Anybody remembers Ursula from... What was it? Little Mermaid. It's all about the body language. And then there's your voice. Goes up, and it goes down. Humorous contests are so incredibly important because they actually do translate into your everyday world. What does that mean? Well, if I had hired somebody, and they were of equal value, and this person was like kind of dull, and every time I talked to him I said, so how was your weekend? Fine. Did you do anything interesting? No. Did you talk to anybody? No. What did you do? Played Fortnite. And then I have this person over here. So did you do anything interesting this weekend? Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I had 50 of my favorite non-friends over for the weekend. You're automatically engaged because this person is fun. They're lively. They're humorous. We get farther when we make people feel good. Having people laugh actually brings up the serotonin and makes them think, oh, I like this person. We want to like people that are funny. There is a reason why Cheers, Friends, Big Bang have been on the stage for 12 years and counting. So my fellow Toastmasters, most welcome guests, I put together the top 5 reasons why you would want to be in the Humorous contest. Reason number 5. Do you remember when your knees were shaking, your throat was closing up, your hands were clammy as you were walking into that first Toastmaster meeting? Does anybody remember that? Well, when you go to enter the contest, it all happens again. Congratulations. Number 4. You don't have to convince your family to go to Disney anymore. You see, when you enter that stage, you are part of the cast of characters. Save your money. It's not there. Number 3, you are going to get hundreds of Facebook friends. Your Facebook is going to blow up because every single person is going to want to tell you what you should be doing in your speech. And they're all convinced they're right. And not only will they friend you on Facebook, they will then message you and say, did you take my advice? Did you change your speech? And they expect you to answer. Huh. Number 2. I remember my number 1. Number 2. You will learn defeat gracefully. Because let's face it, there's only one winner, and if it's not you, you're learning how to accept defeat. And the number 1 reason you want to be in the humorous contest? Because you will finally learn what it means to be cheap entertainment.